it's in driving mode right now. Steering wheel is out. All of this is in red. Now, if you put it in autonomous mode, press this. Wheel disappears and this little diamond comes out. And this light goes on to tell pedestrians that the car is now driving by itself. The coolest thing is this. Check out what these little diamonds do here. These little triangles. Look at that. It's like a reptile skin. It's almost like it's breathing. What that does is when the car detects an object that you can't see, it will let you know by kind of moving these little triangle shapes on the dash.